guys, Rachel here from the Confused Millennial. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be diving deep into what is inside the Thinker Play Kit from Lovevery. I've had this play kit since my daughter was born. It is intended for babies 11 and 12 months old. She's now about 18 months. I will let you guys know how the toys are holding up as she's gotten a little bit older past this stage, but it's a really awesome play kit. Spoiler alert, if you're on the fence about it, go get it now. If you guys want to check out past Lovevery Play Kit reviews, I will leave a link to all of those box by box in the description box below, or you can check it out here. And I also have kind of like a high level, what are your general thoughts, and answering some of the most frequently asked questions I've gotten about the play kit as its own video, which I will also leave a link to in the description box below. So it costs $80 for this play kit. It comes with 10 toys. That's an average cost of $8 a toy, which is a really great deal, especially once you see what is inside. Let us jump in. Well, you got a little sneak preview right here. First up is baby Avery. We love baby Avery. Avery's really a blank slate for your child to put whatever they want to put onto it. Dolls are really important for kids as they start to develop more like language and communication skills. A lot of times they may not want to be like, I'm angry right now, but they'll say, Avery's angry right now because the dog took her toy. So it's really helpful for them to kind of start to act out emotional scenes, social scenes, all that type of stuff. And we adore Avery. Next up is this Montessori type sliding top box. It's really well made. It comes with a little felt ball, and it requires a good amount of effort for your baby to kind of push it through. And this is also where I said in previous play kit reviews that the toys start to kind of work together. So in the past, we've gotten smaller felt balls, gotten wooden balls. All of those work really well with this toy. The other thing that we like to do with this toy is set it up on its side. So upright like this, kind of like diorama style, and we will actually put Avery inside and pretend that this is Avery's bedroom. Or we have the block set, which is kind of a similar shape box to this, but the block set actually turns into a car, so you can put wheels on it. So what we'll do is actually put Avery into one of those shape sorter spots and then pull her around like she's riding in a convertible car. So my daughter likes to do that same concept here. And then she'll try to move the top of the box, and we always joke she's doing that magician trick of sawing Avery in half. But it's all really geared towards Montessori-based toys with open-ended playing. And this toy is also teaching hand-eye coordination and building their strength as I push this ball in. This play kit comes with 2 books. Another book of opposites, because opposites are just a really important concept for kids. Lots of, again, it's very much in line with previous books where they're really simple photos, captivating to our children who like to look at other kids. So we're big fans. This book is the first of their mini books, which is great because at this age, they can actually turn these pages on their own. They're really thick pages, and we'll give this to her when she's on her changing table, in her car seat, all of that stuff. And she has a ton of fun just looking at this book all on her own. It keeps her entertained for a while. If I need to go ahead and get dinner going, something like that. And then when we go through it with her, we practice identifying the animals, making their sounds, naming their colors, all of that type of stuff. This toy kit also comes with a little pincer grasp puzzle. My daughter had so much fun with this. She actually liked to put this entire piece in her mouth because she really loves to put things in her mouth. And then she would go ahead and take the felt ball, see if this fit in here. She also would take the Montessori egg from the last play kit and see if she could get it to fit in here, seeing how this was different than the base that comes with the Montessori egg. So it kind of all ends up coming together where they end up learning tons of other concepts in the process. And then probably my daughter's favorite item in this play kit is her first wallet. The wallet comes with a little Velcro pouch that you kind of have to help them with. It comes with 4 wooden coins. It also comes with their first credit cards. I think it comes with 4 of these as well. And the credit cards have fun different pictures on them. So like a beach ball. Some of them have like more of a traditional credit card like strip here. She also, when her very first front teeth were coming in, these were her favorite teether. As they actually started to cut through, she loved listening to the sound they would make. So she would just go all day long, I swear. She walks around with this wallet all over the house. It keeps her really entertained. The thing I love about this toy is she loved putting the coins and the credit cards in her mouth at that stage. But as she gets older and she actually builds up strength to unzip this on her own, to learn concepts about money and paying, and we start to play more imaginative, creative things, I know we're going to end up using this a lot as we go shopping, and even like when she starts to get an allowance, bringing this to the store. So this is an item that like is gonna be with us for years, and I mean, this is fantastic. Other items in this play kit comes with 2 balls. One's really heavy and then one's really light, bringing that concept of opposites to life. The reason I like these balls is they're really thick rubber. They're great for rolling stuff. They're great for learning to toss. Bringing it back to this top sliding box. These are really big to fit in here. They don't go down. It's been good for her to learn like, okay, this can be round and this can be round, but that doesn't mean everything that's round fits into this hole. So it's fun to see them kind of like figure that out. And then the item in this play kit, an item I do not have because it is something they swapped in the second iteration of this play kit, and that is wooden stacking stones. So think Karen rocks, if you guys know, like in meditation, those kind of ovally stones that all sit on top of one another. Basically what this is, but they're made from wood and they're painted really pretty blues and greens in true Lovevery fashion. They're very aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and that item replaced these paper and envelope because this is a great time to introduce coloring and chunky crayons, chunky markers, all that type of, I don't know, there's those chunky things. We never used those. We jumped straight into just using really thin crayons. It took my daughter a little bit longer to pick it up, but she likes it. She's about a 1.5 years now and she colors fine. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about this piece of paper because you guys don't get it in your play kits anymore anyway. Make sure to hit that notification and subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss my next play kit review, which is the Babbler. This is the first of the Lovevery toddler play kits. It's the first play kit your baby will get after they turn 1. It's 4 months, 13, 14, and 15, and it is freaking awesome if I do say so myself. So you won't want to miss what's inside of that. In the meantime, go ahead, catch up on those past play kit reviews or just see if I answered your questions in this general video here. And if I didn't, hit me up on Instagram at the Confused Millennial. My name's Rachel. Have a good one.